Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So today's video is going to feature 18 popular hairstyles that you can try in 2023. These are all going to be by the hairstylist Hero Hair. He does amazing haircuts and hairstyling options and ideas for women. So be sure to check out his Instagram if you do want to see more of his work. Here we have this beautiful ginger colored bob haircuts. Love the tassel waves that the stylist created with this particular cut and color. And then we have a beautiful baby mullet hairstyle. This is also called the mullet pixie cut. Beautiful bangs in the front. And if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles that you see within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have a beautiful layered style complete with curtain bangs for the next hair look. Absolutely beautiful color. Gorgeous sandy warm blonde. And then we have a classic jaw length style bob. Beautiful blunt cut. And then we have a beautiful blonde pixie haircut transformation. Next up we have another gorgeous layered haircut style. She does have very subtle highlights going in the front. Perfect for framing out her face. And then we have more of that 90s shaggy layer look that we're seeing this season. Very popular for 2023. Here is another layered hair variation. Then we have some face framing bangs. We do have a slight highlight in the front as well. Then we have another look at that pixie mullet style. This is also known as a Mixie haircut. Then we have more shaggy layers. Beautiful face framing curtain bangs. I love her eyebrows. Then we have that gorgeous blonde bob that we started the video off with. Love the wispy texture with this one. This is another huge trend for 2023, the tasseled bob. Then we have another lob haircut. She has a darker copper toned color. Then we have another tousled jaw length style bob with the center part down the middle. Then we have more curtain style bangs. Beautiful layered style bob, shaggy bob. And then we have another layered bob for the next one. Gorgeous highlights mixed in with the hair, beautiful bangs in the front. And then we have another gorgeous blonde bob. And here is where you can follow Hiro if you want to see even more of his work. He is truly talented. And for more inspiring hairstyle ideas, you can check out this video next.